Hello there. Let's go for another Fibble where every line contains a lie. This is a game from the past, from March 8th. International Women's Day. Well, the starting word today is learn. And let's see what can we do with that. Well, let's do something. I'll try teach. Repeats only the E and the A, but it's a connected idea. Okay, that wasn't brilliant at all. I have learned nothing. Well, this can't be the lie, right? Because if it were, then, well, we would have 6 letters now. So this is true, and this is true. Seems quite unlikely that these are both true, but let's suppose to. Well, then this is a lie, makes no sense. Because, yeah, then we should have something like, which is definitely not a word. Oh, no, but if this, no, sorry, if this is a lie, this is true. Maybe it makes no sense. If this is a lie, either there is no way or the A doesn't go here, but the problem is this H, right? Because, yeah, that can't be. So this can't be a lie. This is true. Come on. This or this would be a lie. Then we have 3 letters here, and let's endorse this idea. So yeah, for sure one of these should be the lie. In that case, no, this. I will try this as a lie. Makes much more sense. Yeah, let's try this as a lie as well, and let's try Flora. Okay, let's see. Let's suppose this is lie. I was thinking of ultra, but then this is a lie. That's not good. Well, I'll try it anyway. This is interesting. This can be both true, so this is true, this is true, this is true, and this is true. We know there is an L. The only way this was to be alive, there is a second L in the first position. Then this would be true, and that's for sure not the case. So this is true. Let's suppose this is a lie and this is a lie, then this would be true. And this would be true. Then should have an N here. This is a lie. Now let's go from here. This is true. This is a lie. Then this is true. Then I need an A here, here, and an H here, here. So then indeed this is a lie, and this is a lie, and then this is true. So this is not a word. So there is no way this T is true. This is a lie. This is true, and this is true. And this is a lie, and this is true, and this is true, and this is true, and this is a lie, and this is true. I think clean, but there is no E. this is true, then this is a lie. And this should be, it's not a word, or which looks even worse. Can the A be here somehow? No, because then, so this is a lie, and this is true. There is no H. So we have something else, something N, and the first or the fourth, or maybe both, is an A. Align. That would work. And it did. Indeed, it did. Bye for now.